Now, how did the universe come to being? Well, it's believed, the current theory is the Big Bang theory, and it's believed that billions of years ago, there was a huge explosion. Now, what caused that explosion is still being debated about, but this huge explosion and everything started moving away from the centre of the explosion, as things do when things explode. Scientists can see enough in the universe to suggest that that movement is still happening, that the universe is still expanding. And this gives evidence that is consistent with an explosion idea. Other evidence. There are really three things that you need to know. The other evidence. The first one is that there is cosmic microwave background radiation, or just heat, really, which is thought to be an echo of the initial explosion. The average temperature of the universe is thought to be about 3 degrees Kelvin, which is very, very cold. This indicates that the universe is still cooling down after an explosion, because they think that the average temperature should be about 0. Secondly, when astronomers look at galaxies through a telescope, they still seem to be moving away from us and each other. This gives evidence that the universe is expanding, which is consistent with an explosion idea and parts moving apart. Lastly, Hubble came along with telescopes and made observations about something called red-shifted light, which I'm going to explain now to you. This suggests that the universe is still expanding after the explosion. So that was consistent. Redshift. So redshift is consistent with the universe expanding.